Road maps are written directions. That's how we used to get around. Now we rely on GPS or Google Maps to find our way. It's all part of an emerging new industry called location intelligence. And it's this convergence of a number of technologies that's making for some great business opportunities. DMTI are specialists in this new frontier.
We refer to it as location intelligence, which is kind of like where you take geography or location information and you apply it so that you can make a better business decision. But then underneath that, there's just a whole level of detail that can be done. So very simple things like maps, mapping, all the way down to managing addresses for people. And then we do a lot of data products where we actually supply people with data products which are things like the maps, the street files of Canada, or the topography, the lay of the land, where are the lakes, where are the railroads, all that kind of data is available.
The Europeans started to survey this country as soon as they arrived, and we have continued to gather information through satellite imagery and digital mapping. Now cross-reference information collected through customer databases or Stats Canada, and you can now develop a system for knowing where to build your next franchise, locate bungalows for sale in a neighborhood, or determine the safest, quickest route for an ambulance.
Location intelligence is really almost like a new generation of what used to be called geographic information systems, right? So it's taking geography and applying it in a much different way. There's a lot of other possibilities that companies are using location for all across different sectors. Telecommunications, cable companies need to know where the cables are. Gas companies, they need to know where the gas lines are. They need to know where the references to where the houses are, right? So there's like an awakening of this information that's readily available. It's kind of, I refer to it, it's lying latent underneath everybody's eyes. And if you take it, you have a really great opportunity to increase revenues, or, we draw the tagline of saying there's definitely profit available to many, many companies.
As location intelligence develops, we will see more applications improve our lives. It may be as simple as where the closest coffee shop is, to planning disaster relief if a hurricane hits your neighborhood. Like most new technology, its full potential and applications are yet to be realized.
Convergence of technologies coming together very often explodes into new opportunities. What's happening now is you have the internet coming together with the imagery that's available, coming together with all the data sources that people are recognizing now, and the integrity that's required in the data sources. But now people are awakening to it in a new level because they're able to analyze the information and then have satellite imagery to examine that information at the same time. So you call it convergence. You can bring those things together now and get such a better answer that people are now saying, wow, I can get a lot more accurate. Like I can actually know exactly where I am or where a building is.
For the entrepreneurs who see potential in creating new location intelligence applications, DMTI can offer some assistance.
I think there's just a world of opportunity for the inventors, for the entrepreneurs, as you would call them. So much so that we've actually launched what we call Dev Zone, Developer Zone, where we allow developers to come and use our products for free, to create new products. We don't know where that goes. We know some other companies have done it, and they're amazed at the multiplication factor that appears, right? Because inventors and entrepreneurs, one thing they usually lack is cash, right? And the ability to use something for free and invent something. There's a raft of opportunities here.